Hey Nailiaddicts, today we are doing dip powder tutorials using waterslide decals, and we're also going to do a dip powder ombre. Okay, let me just tell you, the lighting on this video is absolutely terrible, and I apologize for that. I was only using a desk lamp light. I did not have on my overhead light. Hopefully you guys can still see the dip powder application. I tried my best to put the steps in word form, as you can see on the top of the screen, because I wanted you guys to be able to pause the video because it is sped up ×2. So in case you need to pause the video and read the directions, that way you'll be able to still keep up with what's going on. Okay, pouring over your glitter dip powder first helps you pick up all the fine glitters on the first layer, and then when you reapply your base and lay your finger into it the second time, that picks up all the bigger pieces of the glitter. Okay, now for the ombre method. Apply your solid color first, just as you would your same dip powder method. After that, you can apply another coat of your dip base and use your eyeshadow brush, which I use a Wet n Wild brush from Dollar Tree. And I scooped up some of the powder, the glitter powder, and I just tapped it at the free edge of my nail. I did not let the brush touch my nail, and I held my finger in the upward position so that the glitter could naturally fall down in a gradient type fashion. So without applying any more dip base, I just simply held my finger downward and used my solid color and tapped it on the back part of my nail towards the cuticle and the lower half. Nailiaddicts, you know from watching YouTube, there are several ways to apply a waterslide decal, and you use what works best for you. For me, this method works out good. I just applied enough water to the back of the decal to moisten it, not soaking wet, not too much water, and I left it there for a few seconds, and then I used my brush just to slide off the paper backing. I applied a little bit of the dip top coat and use my rubber stamper to just press the sticker right directly onto my nail while the top coat was still sticking. All right, Naily Addicts, that's it. We applied our cuticle oil to renourish our nails after that manicure that we just did. And look how fabulous this turned out. It was so quick, so easy and simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below.